If you're serious about your coffee, then you know that the brewing process can make or break your cup. That's where this Barista Warrior French Press with thermometer comes into play. This insulated coffee press not only promises great coffee, but also ensures the perfect brewing temperature with its built-in thermometer. Made from stainless steel and designed for durability, this French press brings a sleek, modern touch to any kitchen. Whether you're an amateur coffee lover or a seasoned home barista, this French press is designed to help you make the perfect cup every time. A common mistake many coffee enthusiasts make is using water that's either too hot or too cold. Too hot and your coffee tastes burnt, too cold and it lacks flavor. The Barista Warrior French Press eliminates that guesswork with its built-in thermometer. With this French press, you can easily monitor the water temperature and brew your coffee within the optimal range of 195 degrees Fahrenheit to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine this. You pour in hot water, but instead of guessing if it's too hot, you can instantly see if you're in the perfect brewing zone. This makes a world of difference for those who want their coffee to taste just right every single time. Plus, it's a unique feature that you won't find in many French presses out there. Why settle for average coffee when you can brew barista-quality coffee at home? One of the main frustrations with traditional glass French presses is how quickly coffee cools down. After pouring your first cup, the rest of the brew often goes lukewarm. But the Barista Warrior French Press is designed with double-wall stainless steel insulation, ensuring that your coffee stays hot for up to an hour longer than standard presses. No more reheating coffee. With the Barista Warrior, you can savor your second cup just as much as your first, without worrying about losing heat. The vacuum insulation keeps the coffee hot, while ensuring that the exterior remains cool to the touch, making it safer to handle and pour. If you're someone who enjoys slowly sipping your coffee over the course of a morning, this feature alone makes the Barista Warrior French Press worth the investment. Another major advantage of this French press is its easy-to-clean dual filter system. If you've ever had a cup of French press coffee with gritty grounds at the bottom, you know how unpleasant it can be. The Barista Warrior French Press comes with a double-screen filter that ensures none of the grounds slip into your cup while still allowing all the delicious oils and flavors to be extracted from the coffee beans. This means a richer, fuller-bodied coffee without any residue. The filtration system is top-notch, sealing the grounds tightly and preventing them from mixing with the coffee, resulting in a cleaner cup. And the best part? The filters are easy to remove and clean, making the post-brew cleanup a breeze. Better coffee with less hassle. What more could you ask for? Beyond its performance, the Barista Warrior French Press stands out for its premium design. Made from food-grade stainless steel, this press is not only rust-proof, but built to last. Unlike fragile glass presses, this one is sturdy and durable, designed to withstand daily use without showing wear and tear. The modern white finish and the stay-cool handle make it a beautiful addition to any kitchen, combining form and function perfectly. The included wooden barista spoon is a nice touch, designed to help stir the coffee grounds during the brewing process for even extraction and better flavor. Imagine having a coffee press that looks great, feels sturdy, and works like a dream. Whether you're brewing coffee for yourself or for guests, this French press is sure to impress. Who should buy the Barista Warrior French Press? This French press is perfect for coffee enthusiasts who want to have full control over their brewing process, home baristas looking for a durable, stylish, and easy-to-clean coffee maker, anyone who's tired of their coffee going cold before they finish their second cup, gift givers looking for the perfect present for the coffee lover in their life. The Barista Warrior French Press is more than just a coffee maker. It's a tool that elevates your coffee experience, giving you better control over temperature, brewing time, and flavor. Whether you're just getting started with French press brewing or you're a seasoned pro, this press will help you brew better coffee with less effort. Why you should buy it? If you're passionate about great-tasting coffee, the Barista Warrior French Press is a game-changer. Its built-in thermometer ensures you're always brewing at the perfect temperature, while its durable, insulated design keeps your coffee hot for longer. The dual filter system means a cleaner cup and the overall design is both sleek and functional. Whether you're an everyday coffee drinker or looking for the perfect gift, this French press offers exceptional value and performance. Don't settle for mediocre coffee. Upgrade your brewing process today with the Barista Warrior French Press. Your taste buds will thank you. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.